So Sean and the kids have had a very good, strong start to the school year, and everyone has acclimated very well. Now, for me personally, I did get a couple somethings for myself for work, and I'm gonna share that with you. I did buy myself a new backpack. It just came in. And I also got myself a Bentgo box. We've been using the Bentgo boxes for the kids. I got those at Walmart for $19.90 something. I did order this through Amazon, and it did have a $5 off coupon. I think it's because of the whole back to school stuff. The fridge I had at school in my classroom / office, it wasn't even initially my fridge. It belonged to Sean and his parents. So it's from like early 2000s. And we're now in 2022. So I think it was getting really high up there, and it was a really good fridge, but this year it decided to not turn on again. I think it retired and said, I'm done. Usually what I used to do was that on Saturdays when I did my grocery order for here at home, I usually used to also buy my stuff for the week's lunch. And I used to put it in my fridge and leave it there the entire week, and I would prep my lunch as I was there. So I would make my sandwiches there and everything. But now, you know, I don't really feel like buying a new fridge. Plus, I'm trying to work on some portion control here. I'm trying to, you know, shed a couple pounds here and there and eat a little bit more healthier. So with this, there is portion control. And I found myself that if I did like the week grocery and had it over there and I brought all these snacks, I would eat so much. I was always snacking. So I'm thinking that maybe this will help me. What I have is what I'm gonna eat. How is it gonna work is that when I make the kids' lunches the night before, I'll also be making my lunch. And we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna unbox this with you guys, okay? My new backpack, because the one that we had at our school was awesome, but it started ripping, so new backpack. I had ordered a different one, a leather one. Guys, I was in love with the look of that leather backpack when it came in, but I've never smelled something so bad. It smelled like manure. The note that it came in and said, you know, treated with, you know, all natural things. There's no chemicals or anything, and the smell will wear off within a month. I ordered that back in early July, and the smell seemed to only get worse. Sean's doing something about it because he was like, if you're not gonna use the bag, he wants it. I want it. He's using saddle soap. He's gonna do all sorts of things because he knows how to treat leather and I don't. The manure smell went away. Now it's just like a heavy oil smell. So I think a couple more times and hopefully it'll be better, but I don't recommend that. I knew like the deal was too good to be true. So I went with a cheaper bag and I went with a canvas bag. So I can start. Remember at my Mammoth Cave video, I told you guys I wanted to start doing like this whole thing with where I would get my little pins to put on wherever we went. So hopefully this bag will hold. We will see. I didn't pay very much for it. I paid like $29.30, so it wasn't an expensive bag, but let's check it out. So I actually decided to go with the red bag because my Yeti is this kind of like a wine red. So it matches my Yeti really, really good, which I use every day at school. From the looks of it, are these metal? I don't think these are metal. Oh, the zipper is not a metal zipper. It's just a shiny looking zipper that is plastic. Oops. But you open it up like this, and it has actually, it's quite spacey in there. So I'm gonna be putting my laptop in here and my notebook in here. And then it has another pocket here, it goes all the way down. And it says it's waterproof, and from the feeling of the texture, it does feel like a pretty rough bag. So I think it might be waterproof. It has another pocket over here. So pockets galore. And then it has another pocket over here. My goodness. And then it has another pocket over here. So, you know, you can keep your phone, wallet, and whatnot. And I like this because of this. I can carry it up like this. And then it has another pocket over here. Right here. Guess in case you want to put your, in case you want to put like your wallet or something back there. And then it has this thingy over here. I guess if you want to strap it to a luggage type of thing. And I mean, seems pretty sturdy. So I'm excited. It has like little thing, spacious water bottle thing here so you can put your water bottle. Now, how the durability of it, And it has something here so you can charge your phone too. I'm not quite sure what the durability of it is because I haven't used it yet. So whenever I find out what the durability of it is, I will let you guys know. But it's a very pretty looking bag, and it came in many, many, many different types of color. So I decided to coordinate it with my cup. So if you guys are interested, I will link it down below. It just looks really nice, and it doesn't smell like a farm. So that's that. Now my Bentgo box, they didn't have a red one or, you know, a burgundy looking one, but they did have this beautiful orchid one. I did get it off of Amazon instead of their website because it was cheaper if I did it this way, and I wouldn't have to pay for shipping because I had Prime and they had a $5 off coupon. But I loved the look of the modern one. I have a problem before I buy something, and it's that I spent a lot of time thinking which one do I want and what I want to do. Oh, 2-year warranty, 1 year extended warranty. Ooh, so 3-year warranty. So this puppy is supposed to last me 3 years, huh? We'll see about that. But look how sleek it looks. Ah, isn't it beautiful?
Well, I like
Just,
Mommy.
thank you, sweetheart. And I like this nice little gold plate here. We'll see what the quality is. I've never bought one of these for myself, so I'm really excited. But just like the kids one, it comes with these little leak-proof compartments here. And then this comes off, see? And then usually this part here is dishwasher safe for the kids one. I have to see if it's dishwasher safe for, well, it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe, yes. So the tray is dishwasher and microwave safe. So that means this I can put in the microwave. So it has this compartment right here, which is supposed to be like 3/4 of a cup. And it has this one over here, which is like 1 cup and 1.1 cups. And then it has this thing that you can remove like this. And it has the capacity, I think if it was of 3.5 cups, which is nice and big for an adult. And you can use a divider if you want to just divide your food this way, which I really like. See, like this. Or you can change it as this thing like this, which is really, really nice. It's really a pretty, very pretty look. You go like this. You simply, ta-da. So yeah, I love it. If you have this lunchbox and you know what it's like, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But I'll be using it during the first week of school. Maybe I'll share with you guys. I'll do one of those what's for lunch for the whole first week of back to work for me. And I'll share with you guys what I pack in here because I got Bentgo fever. All right, I'm gonna test the capacity of this bag. These are all the things that I typically need to go in my work bag. I'm going to need my pencil pouch. I'll put that in there in a minute. First and foremost, I need my work laptop. I'm gonna put it in here. And it fits so good. I need my planner. I'm debating if I should put it here. Does it fit there? Let me see, will it fit there? My rings might be too huge, so it doesn't fit in that little pouch. But right here. And then my notebook. So I got my planner, my notebook, my laptop charger. Put it over here. Whoops, I hit that. All right. And my pencil pouch. Let's see. It's looking good, y'all. Oh, and my lunchbox. Will I be able to fit my lunchbox in here? I don't know. Let me see. I can. My lunchbox is in here. Assuming that this lunchbox is really leak-proof. We'll find out. Does it close well? Let me see. Will it close? It does close, y'all. And I mean, this is pretty heavy. My worry is it gonna withstand my weight that I put on there? We're about to find out. But it seems to hold up pretty well. All right, my friends, I'm gonna have to do an update later on halfway through the year on how this bag actually held up and how that lunchbox actually held up. Well, my friends, that's it for today, my little unboxing and review. I really don't know the longevity of these things yet because I haven't used them yet. If you are a teacher and you got some fun new things for your beginning school year, go ahead and let me know because these are my new fun things for this year. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!